All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. And I wanted to cover BTC this morning. We had a nasty day yesterday. A lot of things crashed, a lot of things went down, a lot of things are on sale, in my opinion. But if you're worried about the crypto market and what's going on with BTC, maybe this video can ease your mind a little bit because what I'm going to show you is that Bitcoin is doing nothing out of the ordinary. It's doing exactly what it's supposed to do according to the charts, according to its history. So starting off here, I don't know if this is the oldest chart there is, but we're going to go with the Bitstamp one. You can see this correction here: 81%, 78%, 87%, and move on down the line here: 84, 72, 57, and this right here is, as you can see, this picture right here in the corner. This is a double top on BTC, and you see how in the picture where it shows the measurement. If we actually take that measurement from right here inside this second top here, and we move it down over here from the neckline, you can see it perfectly takes us down here to this support where we've been holding this purple line here for a while now. So the measured move from this double top here played out perfectly, as you can see there, according to that picture there that I found online. So you can see this was a little bit of support back here for about 3 weeks. So our neckline, our measured move from our double top takes us exactly down here. And this 73% is where we are right now. We're down 73% from this top. So this measured move played out almost perfectly on Bitcoin. So there's nothing to be shocked about. Even with this red candle we had that spawned in yesterday. We are on the weekly chart, of course, but we're still holding support at this purple line where we held support back here for a couple weeks, where we came down and tagged right here. So we're still holding support where we need to. There's nothing out of the ordinary there. And with that being said, you can see this white line here. This takes us down to about 11.6, and this would be about an 83% correction from that top there. So if we still have more downside to go, and that's not the bottom there, you can see this 83% takes us down to this support back here where this next purple line is, where we have resistance back here, here. So it's another macro resistance turn support area, and that would put us at about an 83% correction from that top there sometime in March of next year. So I've made a video on this before. I think that maybe Bitcoin is going to bottom next spring in about March and April. You can see that 83% takes us to that 11.6 over here. And then the next support we have down here, you can see where we got stuck a couple of times here. You have this next resistance line turn support. It turns support here. So maybe we come down to this 83% correction here. We tag this and we probably wick down to this 9.9 area sometime next spring, March, April. So that's what I'm thinking plays out on BTC. I still think we have some downside to go. So from where we are right now, from that 73%, we still got about another 10% drop, and then maybe wick down here to the 9 area before we bottom on BTC. So I just wanted to point that out for anybody not aware and wondering, what Bitcoin's up to. It's still holding this support line here. So nothing to be worried about. This double top, like I just showed you, played out almost perfectly. We double topped on BTC. We do our little measured move from here on the inside. We move that down here. That takes us right to where we're holding support now. Excuse me. And if we end up going about an 83% correction, it takes us perfectly down to this support line here. And if we were to wick from there or even go down further, we have another support line here at 9.9. But it seems to play out perfectly when you do all the measurements and you see all the support and resistance lines. So, and I found this picture online here, so I wanted to see how double tops actually work. So I tried that, how they have it in the picture with that little measured move here in the middle, and it lined up, and it got me thinking, maybe BTC is just doing what it's supposed to do according to the charts. So I'm not alarmed. I'm not worried about BTC. It's doing what it needs to do. according to the patterns it makes. So we're consolidating right now, and I'm thinking we're gonna hang around this 17 area for for a while, and then we're gonna start falling off the table again, and eventually, sometime in March, BTC is gonna bottom out finally, uh, March of next year. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. If you are not aware that BTC is just following the chart patterns, there's nothing alarming at all on the charts that I see. It's just doing what it's supposed to do, in my opinion. So I thought I'd point that out. So hopefully you like the content. If you do like the video, subscribe to the channel. Yeah, I just wanted to put that out there on BTC. So hopefully you enjoyed the content. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace out.